Guys, so here's my last Sephora haul from the VIB sale. Before I start, I want to say I decided to keep this. I think I had just been smelling too many things that day. I do like this, so I decided not to return it, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. And then I placed an online order, and then I had some buy online, pick up in store. So they had this Valentino Donna Born in Roma set, and this is the one that had the 3.4 ounce and then the 1 ounce. And I only have a 1 ounce, so decided to get that. I really like this salicylic acid exfoliating for your scalp from Inky List, so I got that. Decided to get Tangerine Boy from Fleur. And then I got this deluxe sampler for $90, and then I'm Rouge, so I got 20% off. And I decided to get the 1.7 ounce of Carolina Herrera. But I actually really liked the Fleur Sunforia. So I got another one of these, and I'm going to get Sunforia. And so that is it for my Sephora VIB haul.